Welcome back, Broadwalkers. So AURZEN has sent me all of these goodies for review. Check them out. Let's go. And this is the CASTPLAY, which enables you to enjoy unlimited content wirelessly from Netflix, Disney Plus, and more. It's also plug and play, simple and efficient. You can use it on your laptops, PlayStations, iPhones, cell phones, anywhere you go, travel with it. It's very easy and convenient. Stay tuned because I will show you how to use it with your laptop in case you have to do a presentation at work. And this is the AURZEN MAGPLAY dual-sided mount for the zip projector and also MagSafe iPhones. It has a quick and hassle-free setup, strong vacuum suction, and even stronger magnetic force. And it's also travel-friendly. And this is the AURZEN POWERPLAY 3-in-1 projector stand with a 10,000 milliamp power bank. It comes with a carrying case and it's also magnetic so that you can sit your zip projector on it while it's charging, and you can also charge your MagSafe iPhone. Check it out. And this is the AURZEN CASEPLAY compact carrying case for the zip projector. It's waterproof, dustproof, and is position built for your zip projector. It not only carries the zip projector itself, but it also can hold the wiring charger. It's sturdy and safe. It also comes with the carabiner attached to it that you can hook up to your book bag or your jacket. This little case is amazing. It has a drop resistant design. Check it out. And this is the amazing AURZEN Zip Projector, the world's first Tri-Fold truly portable mini projector. You can take it anywhere, take it camping, corporate meetings, put it in your pocket. It's half the size of your iPhone. Use it in the kitchen while you're cooking, or take it on vacation like we did, where we used the MAGPLAY dual-sided mount on the ceiling of the cabin along with the AURZEN Zip Projector. Check out the AURZEN products at aurzen.com. Link will be in the description.